Alright, we got a little repair on the Fat Boy. We're gonna run it with a little 2-pill 1446. It does about not quite 100 bird. There's the Cobra. I'm 40 to stay away from other people on the radio tonight. But we got about a 200 watt peak is what it does. I think is what that thing does. And about 80 to 100 watts bird. That's 1,000 watts in average. We'll keep probably around 100 watts. Hello. Audio. Hello. So it's showing about 550 or so with that little bit of drive. Let's see. There's the input reflect from the radio. Back to the radio. Hello. 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 3/4 to 1 watt. I would show y'all 2,500 watts lug, but I let someone borrow it and hadn't got it back yet. So, of course, it's going to slam this in the corner. Hello. 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 So, yeah. Little 8-pill Fat Boy. We just redone some peels and had a couple pop peels. We didn't really mess with nothing else. That's right.